Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Vertex. This is a townhouse community by Tripointe Homes here in the highly desired Summerlin. Now in this video, we will be touring the Plan 1, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with EXP Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Right, everyone, welcome to Vertex by Tripointe Homes. Now, this is a townhouse community here in Summerlin. Now, we're about 25 to 30 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Highly desired area, you guys, West Summerlin. The area is actually called Red Point Square, okay? A couple of cool things about the community is they're gonna have like its urban core, which means that it's just gonna be, you're gonna have shopping centers. Everything's gonna be walking distance. So you get your coffee, you can go shopping. So that way you don't have to travel too far out. It's going to be almost like a downtown Summerlin over here in this part of Summerlin. Okay, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. Townhouse community that offers 4 different floor plans ranging from 1790 square feet all the way up to 1914 square feet. Okay, with the base prices ranging from 478,000 all the way up to 518. Now, when you look at base price, just know the lot premium and the upgrades are not included. Okay, so to get your actual price, you have to add the base price, lot premiums, and upgrades. Okay, now the lot premiums here, they're gonna range from about 5,000 to 50,000. Now these are townhomes, so it's not so much the size of the lot, but it's going to be the location of the lot. Okay, whether you're going to have like somewhat better views, or whether it's going to like behind you is going to be no neighbors, that's going to be what determines the higher lot premium. As far as the upgrades go, buyers are putting an average of about 10 to 12% in upgrades, okay, of the base price. That's what they're doing out here. Now also too, as far as Tripointe, they're doing a mixture of both quick move-in homes as well as building from lot up. So if you want to build from lot up, you could definitely do that. If you want to get into something a little bit sooner, they'll have some available inventory that'll be ready in the next few months. Okay, altogether there's going to be 128 homes here. They sold about 20, so they still have quite a ways to go. This community opened up in September, and now it's like mid-February. So other things you guys should know, the HOA is going to be $230 a month. Okay, so $170 a month, that's going to be for the HOA. And then $60 a month, that's going to be for your Summerlin master plan fee. Okay, so that's the $230. But you also do have a SID assessment here. So the SID balance is going to be $7,200. You could also pay that at once, so you don't have to make any payments, or you could pay $365 every 6 months. Okay, but once you pay $365 every 6 months until that $7,200 balance is paid for, then you'll stop paying for that completely. Community, it has like a pool, there's dog park, there are parks out here. That's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the Plan 1. Now the Plan 1 is going to be 1790 square feet. This is a 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Okay, and the base price as of today is $478,000. So yeah, let's take a look. Now this the Plan 1 will always be inside unit. Okay, so no backyard for this plan. And this will also be the smallest floor plan they offer. Okay, so all right, so welcome in. So take a look at that. So what you see as soon as you walk in, nice high ceilings. So like over here, the way the plan is set up is you're gonna have a loft over here. The bedroom is gonna be the left side. You're gonna have your primary bedroom on that side. So we do have 9-foot ceilings. Okay, now this is going to be the door to your garage right here. You're going to have stairs that go to the second floor. You'll have your powder room right over here. And then this is going to be your main living area, your kitchen, living room, dining room. So very spacious. Oh, I'm sorry. So this one does have a backyard. Apologize. Yes. So, okay. So yeah, this one does have a backyard, but I think it'll actually depend too on how many units are actually attached to the home, if there's going to be 4 or 3. But if you're curious, just give me a call. You know, I could definitely answer that question for you. I know for sure the end units are going to have backyards. The units in the inside, it's still questionable, but it looks like this one has a backyard. Love the way Tripointe designs their homes. Okay. So it's very warm, has the light brown wood looking flooring. Now again, as far as flooring goes, most buyers, when they get into their house, when they're building from lot up, they're going to upgrade their flooring. Okay, so what standard flooring is going to be, you're going to have like 17 by 17 ceramic tile in the kitchen, in the wet area. So the kitchen, laundry room, bathroom, and the entryway, and then you'll have carpet all throughout the house. But normally buyers will just upgrade the flooring so there's no carpet on the first floor. So that's gonna, you know, I would say that's gonna be about like could be about a 20 to like 30% of your upgrade budget right there. Just gonna be off flooring. Okay, here's your pantry. Now refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. Okay. So you will have an oven, dishwasher, and microwave. I think these are upgraded options. Yes, this is going to be an upgraded option. That's like a double oven. But I believe you'll get the GE appliance package. So right over here, you're going to have your powder room. Okay. Powder room, half bath. And then you'll have like a little storage area. It's probably like a coat closet. You could store some things in here. Yeah, we'll head upstairs. So this is an option to be a 2 or 3 bedroom. So when you get it to the top, you're gonna have your primary bedroom, and then you're gonna have your laundry room right here, okay? And then you'll also have a small loft, and then you'll have another bedroom. So technically, yeah, there's 2 bedrooms, the primary in that one, but you can change this to a bedroom as well. Okay, so welcome to the bedroom, the guest bed. Okay, also 9-foot ceilings in here. Guest bed's gonna have its own full bath. Okay. Now guys, if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to be there with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, you know, let your realtor know. Make sure they're there with you on your very first visit. Okay, look at this long closet. Oh, okay, there's another door over there. But yeah, make sure they're there with you on your very first visit. If you go by yourself and you, the new builds, the office, the new build agents are going to ask for your name, your email, phone number. Once you give that to them, they won't let you have representation down the road. Now, the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interest, not your best interest. So as realtors, you know, we negotiate for you, hold the builders accountable, okay? Make sure you get all the max incentives, and the builder agents pay the realtor fees. So definitely a win-win, okay? So give me a call, guys. Okay, so got plenty of lights over here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Would you, if you moved into this house, would you convert this to a 3-bedroom? But I feel like if it was a 3-bedroom, then it would just be this hallway and bedroom. It'd feel kind of tight. But at the same time, resale purposes, resale wise, 3 bedrooms sell A lot easier than 2 bedrooms. So okay, so this is going to be the laundry room. Again, you got the optional washer dryer in the cabinets. Yeah, this is some pretty crazy wallpaper. Okay, so this is going to be your smart panel box. For your Wi-Fi, you have your Ethernet cords, coax cables, all of that stuff. Okay, your air filters are going to be right up there. All right, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So you're going to have your bath right over here. You're going to have your walk-in closet. Okay, this is a king-size bed. So plenty of room. Here, I guess we'll take a look in here. Okay. So these organizers are not included. Closet organizers. Looks like you have your attic access up there. Yeah, nice 8-foot slider. Oh, nice. Okay. It's not locked. So check that out. So yeah, we're all the way tucked in the corner over here. Okay, they're gonna still be building more homes down there. Okay, so welcome to the shower. So you have your walk-in shower. Okay, and then your toilet room. Okay, so we got this optional cupboard thing right here. All right. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. This was the plan 1. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you have any questions, curious about the incentives, or you're just looking for help for this new build process, give me a call, guys. Okay, my info and description is below. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.